I think you probably get used to this Thai sound. Uh, uh. Uh, uh. Well, how to use this sound in Thai? Let's get started. The first way to use sound is when you want to respond or acknowledge someone. Let's say you're on the phone and you want to say, You just say, hello, uh, uh, uh. And that's mean you acknowledge it as yes. And if you want to be polite, you wouldn't say but you would use the word ค่ะค่ะ if you are a female speaker, or ครับผม as a male speaker. The second way, if you use the word but with a long sound like uh, it means that yes, to confirm something, right? Let's say if your friend is doing something right, or if she or he did something that impressed you or came to the conclusion that you wanted the person to finally got it, and if he or she got it, it's like as in like, yeah, finally, yeah, Number 3, if you are not so sure what to say, in English you would say, in Thai we say, so with the low tone, ไม่รู้ค่ะไม่รู้ค่ะ I don't know And the last way to use is when you're cheering a person that are on the fight of Muay Thai, for example. And it's go like, uh, 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 And these are the 4 ways to use uh, 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 uh,ต่อยเลย punch That's it for a very natural sound in Thai. If you want to know more about other sound, please feel free to comment the sound below and I will explain to you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe Banana Thai. See you in the next Thai lesson. บ๊ายบายค่ะ